During our last video, we got rid of Vegas, but now we took on the Avalanche series.
For the first time since 2016, the San Jose Sharks have advanced to the conference championship to play the St. Louis Blues. Let's check in with the MacKinnon family to see how they feel about this.
Whoa, looks like them too. They're gonna have 5 months off.
5 months now until game 1.
Hey, Chun, is that true that Colorado seeked advice from Vegas?
Indeed, here's what Coach Kale had to say to the Avalanche. So, baby, what else about the Avs?
Grubbier, always freaking losing his stick.
Firmly grasp it in your hand. Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it.
Maybe you didn't eat enough Kale.
Let's tune down these blues.